lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing subscription box, and this is the Vegan Kind Beauty Box for February 2021. Lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup spoiler of subscription boxes. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. If you hear background noise, don't worry, just my kids and my husband watching TV downstairs. This box, it came this morning, but I was at work, so I was trying to resist not to open it, so we can open it together. And so then inside, lovelies, we have like this. It says, "Hello there, beautiful. Pleasures can be guilty, but for us it's not the case. We found the best of cruelty-free and put them in one place. So have a look at what we've picked, then pamper and unwind. You're doing good and looking great. We love the Vegan Kind." If you're new to the Vegan Kind Beauty Box, lovelies, it is a bi-monthly beauty subscription box. It costs £15 a month plus the shipping fee, which is £3.15. And yes, inside there are usually 5 to 6 products from skincare to makeup. And I've been subscribed for this subscription box for 6 months now. This is my 3rd box, and I really enjoyed the products that I received inside. They have also food subscription box, so if you want to check it out, and if you want to try this box, lovelies, I think the code is vegan. I am not 100% sure, but I will check it out. I will put the link here or in the description box below, and you will have your first box for only £7 or £8. I'm not 100% sure. All the info, as always, will be in the description box below. So we have the leaflet as always, description, and the list of the products inside. And overall, the box value is £80. It's worth more than £80. Oh, not bad. And I paid only like £18, including the shipping fee. And let's start, lovelies. The first one we have in here, and this is the Panda biodegradable bamboo cleansing facial wipes. I don't usually use facial wipes now, and I use them when I travel, but we don't travel at the moment. But yes, I don't usually use facial wipes, so we'll see. But I tried Panda before for the hand wipes, and they are really good. And this one is in coconut. And this one, lovelies, it's retail for £1.99. Enrich your daily routine with 100% biodegradable makeup remover wipes. Made from bamboo, not the same type that pandas eat few. The Panda makeup wipes are infused with 99% purified water, woven with an embossed pattern to help you remove the most stubborn makeup. Proudly certified vegan and dermatologically tested on sensitive skin. So yeah, we have 20 wipes inside. And then the next one we have is this Sunkissed Mega Long False Lash Effect Mascara. It has 12 ml. So I think this is a full size. The applicator, as always, lovelies, I will pop here or in here because I won't open this one. I never tried makeup from Sunkissed. I know we received before the pearl one, I think. Yeah, I think so. I don't remember, but I didn't use that one and I gave it away. So yeah, I never tried makeup from this brand. And this one, lovelies, it's £4.99, and it says, "Get the false lash effect with Sunkissed Mega Look Long Black Mascara. Swept the super size bristle brush from the base of your lashes and keep going until your lashes reach the sky. The vegan-friendly formula will darken and define your lashes, making your eyes appear larger and more open. Perfect to finish off a smoky eye look." So yes, this is the second product. The next one we have in here, and this is from Nail Kind Nail Oil. Oh, I really need this one right now, and this is vegan. As you can see, lovelies, I really have dry cuticle now, so I really need this one. And this one, lovely, it's retail for £10.50. An industry leading range that's up to 85% bio-sourced, vegan and cruelty-free, natural and plant-based, easy to apply, quick dry formula, gentle towards the nails. If you love intense shiny shades and conscious beauty, then you are definitely our kind. Not forgetting the final OMG. It's affordable for all luxury. So yes, this is a full size too. And then we have in here from Beauty Kitchen, Sensitive Solution Wonder Balm Fragrance Free for lips and dry bits. It's a must right now, definitely. And this one is retail for £3.99. And whenever Wonder Balm it. Why can you never find a lip balm when you need one? Free from Wonder Balm is packed full of nature's finest ingredient to nourish and soften lips and dry skin, and suitable for vegans. So I think this is a full size too. Really a cute packaging, slim, and you can put in your handbag. But lovelies, I'm not really fan of this kind of thing. Lip balm, I would prefer the stick one, just easy pop in and then ready go. But yeah, this is inside. It smells like organic, lovelies. Yeah, it doesn't smell, yeah, fragrance free, but doesn't smell of anything. Like, it's like organic one. I'm using at the moment the Vaseline one. As I said, I'm not fan of this kind of packaging, but I really need to use them. But Vaseline lip balm, they are really good. They moisturize. So yes, yeah, I will try this one and then I will let you know. And the last product we have in here, and this one, Ravis, it's retail for £59.99, 60 pounds. Wow. This is the Dr. Eve Rayuth limited edition vitamin C night moisturizer, and this one has 50 ml. I think this is a full size. Yes, this one is rated for 60 pounds. This vitamin C night moisturizer comes in a travel friendly tube, and it's also, this is a travel size, so the full size will be like 100 pounds. Wow. And it is a limited edition. It contains one of the best form of vitamin C, ascorbic acid. This combined with hydration boosting ingredients such as hyaluronic acid, argan oil, and rose oil aims to brighten uneven skin tone and replump tired, dehydrating looking skin. So yes, I never heard from this brand before, to be honest, but I will try it. So that's all, lovely. So let's do a recap. We have a 60 pounds vitamin C night moisturizer. I will never repurchase. Even if I like this product, I would never repurchase the full size or the travel size. 60 pounds for a night moisturizer, I think it's too much. It's just my opinion. Then we have the nail oil one, which is I really need at the moment. As I said, I have really dry cuticle at the moment, so yes, like that. And then we have the mascara from Sunkissed. Never tried from this brand before, so really curious to try it. And then we have the Beauty Kitchen Wonder Balm for lips and dry bits. This is like the Dr. Pau Pau all-in-one. Yeah, and as I said, I'm not fan of the packaging, but still gonna try it. And then with the last one, we have the Cheeky Panda, the makeup remover one. As I said, I don't usually use makeup wipes, only when I travel, but we don't travel at the moment. So yes, so overall, lovelies, I will still try this product. Definitely I will use this one. It's not the best box in my opinion, but yeah, for 18 pounds every 2 months, I think it's not bad. So let's see if I keep this one. As I said in my community tab, if you follow me there too, that, or in my Instagram, that I'm trying to reduce my subscription boxes, because the other day after I unbox my latest in beauty, I will pop up here my unboxing, I noticed that I have loads of products to use up. And yes, I decided to reduce my subscription boxes so I can use up some of the products, but I will still do my empties. I will still do my lineup spoiler of subscription boxes because I really enjoyed doing it. So yes, we'll see if I keep this subscription box. And that's all for me, lovelies. What do you think of this box? It's a vegan cruelty beauty subscription box. What do you think? Will you get it? Let me know in the comment below. So that's all, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes. And also, lovelies, don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload a video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye. Mwah.